Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Welcome to today's MME. Okay, good evening, everyone. If you can hear me, type in the chat box so that you can hear me. Hi, Naveen, Roslyn, Pupin, Grace, Denise. Good to see everyone here. How is everyone? Type good if you are good. Fantastic. Okay, let me just adjust. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started before we start. Let's share disclaimer first. Whatever I share today is for education purpose. These are not buying and selling advice. Type yes if you understand. Today event is also open to public. Okay, so we have people from the public that's joining us from the Facebook group, from my own Facebook, and people who are joining us to here today. Okay, so let's get started. First thing first, let's look again at the index, and then from the index, we'll go into the other instruments, okay, like in terms of crypto, in terms of commodities, in terms of the big picture, where do we do in terms of all these different markets, okay? So let's go and look at S&P 500 first. Okay, this is S&P 500, and we have a weekly chart. Okay, weekly charts represent the long-term trend. Okay, long-term trend of the markets. Okay, so from this, what do you all think is the long-term trend of the market right now? What is the long-term trend of the market right now? Very good. Okay, bearish. Okay, you all should know this already. If you look at the charts previously, over here, if you zoom in somewhere in mid of March, about 1 month ago, you all will have known that it is bearish already. Type yes if you all agree. That means all of you all using a traded GPS, you will already know that long term you should be exit out of the picture. Yes or no? How many of you have did some action that you have exit either beginning of the year or before this big down? How many of you have exited before this? Like me, if I exited before this. I believe some of you, or quite a lot of you, have exited before this. Is fantastic. Okay, so right now, if you have some cash, good or no good? Good. Okay, so if I'm cash right now, you can decide. Okay, should I buy back some at the cheaper price or should I wait some more? Yes or no? Type yes if you are in a position like that right now. Okay, so the question right now is, if I sold beginning of the year, should I right now, or maybe last month, should I buy back right now or should I wait for further drop? Okay, so that is the question for everyone. Okay, and the answer may surprise you all a bit. Okay, so before I go into that, just want to say the disclaimer again, since it's public, this is for education purpose, okay? Not buying and selling advice, okay? So usually I will not go into monthly chart, okay? I will not go into monthly chart. I will just go into weekly chart, position, weekly chart. That's all, okay? Usually I will not go into monthly chart, okay? But I want to share with you right now based on the long-term trend, okay? Based on the long-term trend, whether it's let's go at the monthly chart right now, okay? The monthly chart right now based on the long-term trend. Okay, so this is the monthly chart. Type yes if you understand. This is the monthly chart of S&P 500. Okay, if you are looking based on the monthly chart of S&P 500, the last drop, okay, the last drop was somewhere before a global financial crisis, or global financial crisis. So and after that there was a drop, and then subsequently recovered. So most of the thing, if you are right now on 1 year or more, okay, say 1 year to 2 years, right now, even right now, this is not a good time to get in aggressively. not a good time to get in aggressively if your time frame is 1 year or more. But yes, if you understand. Okay, what is the context again? Let's say a context. Within now, 21st of April, until next year, 21st of April, next year, 21st of April, if I buy today, 21st of April 2025, am I confident that by next year, 21st of April 2026, I will definitely make money? Based on the chart right now, it is not clear. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It is not clear. So what should you do? You got 1 year time frame, should you buy right now? Within 1 year can make money. If it's not clear, then you wait. Type yes if you understand. Very good. That is for 1 to 2 years. Got it? 1 to 2 years. All understand. Okay. For most people, that kind of time frame is good because you can trade. Okay, you can get in, you can get out, you can trade, and the move can be fairly big. But there are some of us are not like trading. Some of us, maybe even when the position weekly exited, you didn't exit because you bought the stock much cheaper. How many of you all are in a situation like that? That yes, I know position weekly got sell signal 1 month ago, but I bought so cheap, that I don't want to exit. Anybody like this, like me, if you're someone like that, okay, you bought so cheap. Okay. In fact, right now you're thinking of, hey, maybe I sold some at high, right? Maybe I should start to DCA right now. Anybody like that? Type me if you're someone like that you got so cheap, and then right now you sold some high, and then right now because it's cheaper already, your hand itchy already, you want to cut back in already. Okay, I will say that in that situation, very slowly, you can break it out for the next 1 year. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? You can very slowly buy 10%, 10% over the next 1 year. Okay, likelihood within the next 1 year, you may be able to catch the bottom. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, this is only for maybe 5-10% of the people. For majority of the people, no need so headache. Okay, wait for the position weekly to turn back into blue, then you buy. It is much better. Okay, it is much better. But for those people that sold higher and right now say, hey, I sold high already and I got a lot of stocks at very cheap price, and right now I want to hold this for not for 2 years, not for 3 years, but I want to hold it for long term. Can I dollar cost average it right now? Can, but do it very slowly. Okay, can I understand the two distinction of the participant in the market? Type yes if you understand, type no if you don't understand. By the way, whatever I share, guys, is not like a lot of changes. Since beginning of the year, during Kickstart, I already say, be careful about the US market. Yes or no? Okay, most of y'all, if you're in the Kickstart, you will know. Okay. Second thing is the Hong Kong market. Later, I'll cover the Hong Kong market. Okay. So, any question on this? Okay, very good. Next question, Shirley asked, right, is how about those trading short term? How about those trading short term right now? What should I do? Should I low long? Should I do short? What should I do right now? Okay, let's go now into position daily. Position daily. Okay, yes, you should FTS, but how should you? Which is the reason why we have a regular meeting like this. Is how should you position your portfolio? And this is my view. Okay, so right now, position daily. If you are doing your homework, position daily. For the last 1 month, got more green or more red? Got more buy or more sell? For the last 1 month, more sell. Yes or no? More sell. Okay. So if you are doing position daily, 3 to 9 months trade, 3 to 9 months trade. Okay, 3 to 9 months trade. Then you could now look at position daily short, but be very nimble. Type nimble if you understand. Be very nimble, okay? Because the recovery will be very fast. I also mentioned this before, that yes, if you all heard this when I mentioned this, the recovery will be very fast. That yes, if I mentioned this in the Facebook group, right? Okay, yes or no, the recovery is very fast. Okay, so if you are shorting, then you want to be very nimble. You can either do position daily, TOP, or even just do swing daily better. That yes, if you understand. Okay, if you ask me out of the three, position daily, swing weekly, swing daily, whether for short, right? Should I do longer term short? That means I get in quite early right now for position daily, or I should use swing daily short right now. Which one is more preferably? Which one do you think is more preferable for me right now? Right now, I will prefer still to do swing daily short. In fact, in the Facebook group, I mentioned about the short last Wednesday. How many of you saw that post? No, the swing setup for short. Okay, so if I were to, my preference is yes, I want short, but I want a short on very short time frame. Okay, on a short, very short time frame, I look at swing daily for short. Today, last week, we mentioned this in the Facebook group. Yes or no? How many of y'all did little bit of action last week when we talked about the Facebook short? Type me if you have done so. Okay, when we talk about the short. So many. Okay, hang on. Okay, this is last 16 April. 16 April. Look out for short trigger on the daily swing. Lots of setup. Do your research. Comment on stock what setup you have. Take a look. Quite a lot of you have seen this, right? Okay, some of you have taken action. So this is about 5 days ago. If you have shorted 5 days, 5 days ago, right now is the 4th day. That yes, if you understand. Last week on what day? Last week on, hang on, 16. I don't have the calendar here. 16. Okay, 16. So right now is how many days trading? 3rd day of trading. Friday holiday, right? So 3rd day of trading. That yes, if you understand. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday don't have. Yes or no? So today is the 3rd day of trading. Okay, 4th day, 5th day. So right now in the 3rd, 4th, 5th day, what should you be thinking of? Should you be thinking of buying more, or should you be thinking of getting profit really? Taking profit. Okay, I also mentioned before, now you want to take profit. Today futures is down already. Okay, today futures is down already. Consider to lock in some profit because you got another 2 or 3 more days to go. That's all. Okay, and then after that, wait for the next round again. Okay, type yes if you understand. Any question on the shorting so far? Okay, so summarize again. If I want to short, I will look for short, but on a very short time frame, swing daily, swing weekly, I think not much. Yes or no? But swing daily would have some. And then later part, if the market really turn bearish, let's say in May, and there are more stocks, already the market turn bearish, then if I want to look at the position, daily can. Okay. But are there stocks that you can still short on position daily? Are there stocks that you can short on position daily right now? They are bearish one. Yes, there are stocks that you can short on position daily bearish one. If you are going to short on position daily bearish, position daily, look for months. Type yes if you understand. Rank by month. Okay, rank by month. Weakest to strongest. Weakest to strongest. And you will start to see some of the stocks also. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, some of the stock is already bearish mode already. Market cap, don't be too small. If you want to do a bit bigger market cap, you can adjust your market cap. Okay, any question? Any question? So these are the stocks that are potential stocks that you can look at to short. Okay, No question. Next question. Can you show how to screen for short? I'm going to do a summary of how to screen for short. But before I go forward, so far the things I've covered, based on the things I've covered so far, any question? Okay, I'm new to monthly. It wasn't covered. What's the time frame from monthly? Okay, monthly time frame means 1 candle 1 month. Okay, but I think you don't need just look position weekly can already. Okay, Sharon. Any question? Type yes if you are okay. Okay, if not, let's move forward. Okay, how to scan for swing short setup? So you go to swing, you go to daily. So you go to swing daily chart. Let's say example last week on 16. Go back. Last week on 16. If we were to do a screen, you will have seen this list. How many have seen something like that on Wednesday, on Tuesday, on Thursday? That means you've seen something like this. Okay, then you rank by arrows. Rank by arrows. You will see some of these stocks over here. Okay, you'll see that is also weakest to strongest, not weakest to strongest, right? Ranked by arrow, and you will see all these result of 16th of April. If you go to 15th of April, you will also see this list of stocks. That means if you understand so far. Okay, so let's say example you saw First Solar on the 15th of April. Okay, 15th of April is here. Okay, this one not very nice. Okay, why not very nice? Because the MA are closing up. Okay, your MA spread apart. Okay, so then you go look for the list. Okay, that yes, if you understand, you want to look for MA that are spread apart like this lah. Okay, so sloping down both sides. Type yes if you understand. Okay, good. Let me just see the public. Any question? Okay, question from Choi. How do we know it is not a V-shaped recovery? Okay, how do we know it's not a V-shaped recovery? Very good question. How do we know it's not a V-shaped recovery? The key for me in trading is not to anticipate. I don't know whether it's V-shaped or not V-shaped, or U-shaped or W-shaped. I don't know what shape. Type yes if you understand. In fact, all of us don't know. Okay, all of us don't know. But based on current information, the best bet is do nothing. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Of course, I got crystal ball. I can tell you which month, but okay, let's follow the system first. Okay? Type yes if you understand so far. Okay? So trading, right, is not about guessing the future, but on trading the odds. What are the odds when you do a swing sell setup here? There is a odds. There is a risk reward. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you trade the odds. Okay? So what about stocks that can go long on swing weekly? Will you go long right now? What do you think? I think I mentioned this before. Swing weekly long. Do you think in this market, if I saw it this week or last week, do you think I will still go long on this market? No, I also mentioned this before. Right now, position weekly also sell, position week daily also sell. I won't go and swing long on, even though that may be a result of a swing weekly scan. I will not purposely go and buy one like this. Okay, my best odd right now is swing daily. Wait for rally to sell down. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay. Question, will you exit all your long position? Depends. So a lot of people still, after like so many months of warning, still not very sure what to do. So question you need to ask yourself is, what is your time frame? Is your time frame long term? 5 years, I don't care. I just got money, I can just hold. Okay. Is your time frame short term? Within the next 3 months, I need the money. You know, then you need to follow according to your system. Let's say example, you say, okay, within the next 3 months, I need this money one. Then what should you do? Look at position weekly, look at swing weekly to get out. Yes or no? In fact, most of this stock, position weekly or swing weekly, will have asked you to exit already. If you're long term, then no need to do anything. Okay. So Sharon, the same thing. Do you sell all your portfolio? Again, based on your time frame. Is your time frame all long term? Is your time frame all short term? So divide your time frame and trade according to that particular time frame. Clear or not? Okay. That yes, if you understand. So if you headache go and buy swing weekly one, what do? Follow your stop loss. Don't let small loss become big loss. Do you follow what I'm saying? What is trading at the end of the day, guys? What is trading at the end of the day? You are trading odds. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Okay, nobody know where the market is going. You must believe so. Nobody can control the market. Nobody know where the market is going. You trade the odds. You trade the system. And over time, the system gives you edge compared to someone that don't know anything about the market. It gives you edge. Okay. Swing daily. The criteria for closing is number of days. No, there are 4 things to exit. Okay, 4 things to look at. Okay, I suggest that if you don't know how to exit, you can go to this place right now in the Traders GPS. Trader GPS under how to take profit for existing position. Go and 临时抱佛脚. Go and look at how to exit. Yes or no? There is one on taking profit. Okay, not 临时抱佛脚. Maybe you forgot. Okay, how to take profit. Go and watch it again. Can? Okay, not setting take profit. This one, how to take profit with red candle, and one more is on the swing one. Okay, remaining position. How to take profit on remaining position. Take profit on remaining position. Okay, so there are strategy that you can do to exit position. Okay, since today we are all in a good mood, let me just share with you how to exit based on whether you're doing on swing, you're doing on position, but you want to you want to enhance your returns or your hit rate. How do you do that? How many want to do that? Like me, if you want to do that. Collin, I know I wait for candle turn rate, but I want to become better. Okay, I want to exit, not when the price hit and then turn down and exit. I want to exit earlier. How do I do that? Okay, by the way, Bitcoin has been rallying. Okay, it's almost right now a 1 month high already. How many of you bought Bitcoin last month, March, or this month, April? Type me. Okay, but if you bought last month, March, until this month, April, you already made money. Type yes if you agree. Okay, this is March until right now. I say April is bullish for crypto. Yes or no? Type yes if you heard this. Okay. Frankly, you ask me, is it bullish market right now? Not yet lah. Okay, don't celebrate too early. Okay, don't celebrate too early. Later, before we hit resistance, come back down again. Okay. But if you somewhere when we talk about it last month until this month, you bought somewhere, you are 85-90% make money lah. Type yes if you agree. Yes or no? Any point from here to here, 85-90% you make money. Okay. So of course, if it hit 3 month high or 6 month high, I will shout louder. Okay, now it hit 1 month high. Okay, keep quiet first. Okay. The Bitcoin, we'll talk about that later. Okay. Okay, let's not divert first. Let's finish up. Okay, let's talk about how to exit. Okay, how to exit using our swing trade. Okay, let's do a live trade. Okay, if you are swing trade last week one and you're making money now, type in the stock name of the swing trade stock. make a lot of money, and I don't make a little bit. Okay, type in the stock that you make a lot of money. I say, Collin, I want to exit now. Show me how to exit. I will give you the scenario. Swing daily, swing daily. Oh shucks. 1 second, Wow, don't know what happened. Okay, can you see me? Suddenly so romantic. Hang on, Hello. Can you see me? Wow. Hotel blackout. So romantic. Really? It's not my card. Anyway. Okay. Let me continue. Okay. How come so Q1? Okay, let's continue. Okay, I got 78% battery. Okay, so let's say example, you got Google right now. Okay, Google right now. You are 1, 2, 3 days into the trade. Okay, where is a logical support to take profit? Type in chat box, where do you think is a logical position to take profit right now? 138. Okay, I will see. Okay, guys, you are right now already 1 to 3rd day into the swing trade. You got 4th and 5th day. Today futures is down. Yes or no? I will right now take profit around support is 148. Guys, don't put so low already. Don't put so low already. Okay, market gap down later, take half. Type yes if you understand. Market gap down later, take half. Okay, market gap down later, take half. Your 4th day, 5th day already. Okay, and then you set one more target. After you take half, take profit already, you use the high of the previous day to take profit. That means now you're looking at 154. If today market is down, then you look at the high of tonight's closing. Next day, the high is how the high happened. Every day, just mark the high to take profit. Simple or not? Type yes if it's simple. Trail the high. Today market gap down, take half. After that, use the high of the previous day to take profit. Type yes if you understand. So simple. Okay. So how about, guys, there are many ways to do it. There are many ways to do it. I'm giving you an example of a way. If you just Collin, I must take profit at 144 or I must take profit at 140, you may end up waiting and don't take profit at all. Do you all follow what I'm saying? When you're swing trade, you must be nimble to get in and out. Okay, you must be nimble to get in and out of the position. Type yes if you understand. Okay, good. So next, one more stock. One more stock. One more stock. One more stock name. PSG. Sometimes when you see significant support resistance, then you want to look at the particular support resistance. This one do not have setup. Do you all see that? Type yes if you understand. Don't have setup. CCI, wrong stock, sorry. PSH. PSQ, sorry, PSQ. Okay, PSQ. Okay, this one. Okay, so PSQ is not short lah. I'm talking about short. Okay, talking about short. NVDA. Okay, NVDA. People talk short, you take long. Okay, so here. So right now you are 1 to 3rd day. Okay, so your support level will be somewhere around, I think around 90. $95. Okay, $95. So right now you are maybe, actually you're only second day. Okay, this is the trigger, first day, second day. You're only second day in the take profit. So in this case, you're not fourth day, you're second day. Then in that case, you don't need to rush to take profit. You can maybe look at Q at 95. And once it hit the 95, you take half, and then you again use your previous high to get out. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay? Okay, so this will give you a indication how to take profit. When you see a bullish candle, take profit. When you see a doji, you can take profit. When you see a reversal candle, you can take profit. These are example of how you can see the rebound, okay, and use the rebound to take profit. But your thinking is to reduce risk. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, your objective is not to make the most money. Your objective is to reduce the risk so that you get casino money. Do you all follow what I'm saying? You get the money that is free. Got it? That yes, if you understand, you get money that is already the casino money, not your money. Okay? So that's how you do that. Okay. Doji candle, maybe forget about doji candle. What you want to look for is not a black candle, but a white candle. Got it? A white candle, a reversal candle. So right now it's black. Once you see a candle that is reverse, open low, close high, is a position take indication take profit. Break above previous candle high. Okay, it's an example of take profit. So example here, you see, you short here, wait until this day it break above the previous candle high, you can take profit. After that, continue go down, doesn't matter, you already took profit here. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so let's say example. This, of course, these are not these are historical. Okay, but I'll show you historical. What do you do? Okay. This one, the setup is not 100% there. This is more of a 10 setup because your CCI went above 100, but they don't touch the 20. This one is a valid setup. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so the valid setup already. Okay, sorry, valid setup already. Trigger. Okay, then what happened is, this is first day, second day, third day you can consider to take profit already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So from here, this is your first trigger, first day, second day, third day, fourth day. When the candle is bullish, you can continue to take your profit. Got it? Can you short right now? What do you all think? Do you think you can short right now for swing daily? Can you short right now for swing daily? Cannot lah. Why cannot? Why cannot short for swing daily right now? Why? Because your trigger already happened. Yes or no? Right now it's already 25 to 30 to 40% into that down move already. That yes, if you understand, you are the car already moved already. Oh, so at this point when you short, you already lose out that 30 to 40% of the move already. Okay, you need to wait for it to rally back up again, to back to the MA again. Then you can consider wait for it to trigger to short again. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? Okay. Question: when the bullish candle appear, do we close candle next day? No need. You can close candle on that day. Okay. Swing trading, daily chart, you need to be more alert. Okay. Open low, close high, you can take out already. One good place to take profit, if let's say you are long or you are short and the market gap down a lot, immediately close eye, just take half first. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you are correct, immediately market gap down big, just close eye, take half first. Later part and then see. Okay? Once you have less money in the market, if after the market gaps down a lot already, recover back half, then you can do again. You follow what I'm saying? But once you have less money in the market, you are more smarter. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so for the rest, you can go to this part. You can watch through the rest of the training. Any question? Let me just. Should I sell all my bank stock soon? You see, the key is you cannot. Very hard to understand very hard to answer that question because don't have the context of time frame. If you have a training on context of time frame, then I can answer that question accurately. If I don't have the context of time frame, then I cannot answer that question accurately. SMT graduate, do you understand where am I coming from? It's not that I don't want to answer your question, because you ask me, can I sell bank stock right now? It's like, what time frame? When? Things like that. But if you know exactly, let's say some number DBS, for 1 year, for 6 months, for 1 week, what should I do? Then time frame become. You can answer it yes or no. Do you all agree that yes, if you, or at least you roughly know, you know 100% know, but based on what I say every week, you roughly know, okay, Collin should most likely will say this is bearish or this is bullish based on the weekly wicks. Okay, so now let's go into Hong Kong market. Okay, as the US market, okay, maybe here's a good time to do advertisement. Thank you, Kemi. Okay, for those people who are in the public, I want to encourage you all to come and join us in our next upcoming preview, which is coming up tomorrow. Okay, we have a event coming up tomorrow. If you can join us, that will be great. And for SMT graduate, please don't type SMT yet, because let me share this screen first. Stop screen and then share the whole screen. Okay, so SMT graduate, do me a favor, type in SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Okay, thank you, Chi Hian, thank you, Janice, Sing Choi, everyone who are here. I really appreciate for your SMT that you type in the chat box. Thank you, Steve, and all these people. And public, come and join us. Okay, what is this whole SMT about? Okay, we have a 3-day class. We are not a perfect community. We are not. Okay, we have a 3 or 4 days class that we do, but after the 4 days class, we practice all the different strategy. We will apply all this strategy in real life. Okay, and I commit to do this weekly webinar. Okay, not every week. Okay, sometimes people say, "Oh, how come you miss 1 week?" Okay, so I commit to do the webinar regularly to update on your where the market. Okay, on average, 1 year I will do like this lah. Okay, this is last year webinar lah. Okay, last year 2024 I did like from here. Last year I traveled a lot lah. Okay, it's a lot. I traveled all the way from here until here lah. Okay, got at least 30 to 40 webinar. Yes or no? Type yes if you all agree. Even this year I traveled a lot. I still got to at least 10 to 11 webinar lah. Okay, yes or no? Okay, so what I believe is training, right? It's not just about teaching you a system. It's not just about teaching you a strategy, but in also how to say, in making in helping people in my community understand why we make a decision. I think it's important not just to focus on I make money or lose money, but to understand that when I make money, I know why I make money. When I lose money, I know how I lose money, and I know how to become better and lose less. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So for public, if you want to come and join us, feel free to come and join us. Do one more favor, type in SMT if you recommend SMT to the rest. Okay, so for those that type in, I really appreciate all of you all for doing this. Okay. Okay, so let's say bye to the public already. This whose question? I'll answer in just a while. Okay, finish the advertisement, say bye to the public, then we go to the Zoom first. Okay, bye to the public first. Okay, then I can focus. Oh yeah, I haven't tell them how to sign up. Also, give me a second. To join the back already. To join the, give me a second. To join the my hotel very bad here. Okay, to join the SMT, this is the website. Okay, this is a website. Okay, can CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. So for the 106 of you, thank you for joining us. And hope to see you in our weekly webinar. Okay, and that's not a Zoom link. It's the link here, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then thank you so much for joining us, members of public. I hope you can join us in the future. See you. And link not working. Okay, never mind. Find me on Facebook, and then I will send you the link. Okay, thank you, guys. See you. Bye.